Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got a quick unboxing for y'all. This one is an unboxing for Craspire. Now, this is the little nuggets. It's a whole sheet of the little nuggets. So, the one I had before, the one I have, has 2 of each size. So it takes you forever to pour anything. But this one, 6. 60 of them at one time. Wow. So this little set came with the pipettes that you can use to fill the little nuggets. These pipettes now are on the small side if you want to do like a glitter or something, because they will clog up these tiny tips, but they're easy enough to snip off. So you can snip them off and still be able to use them to fill up. Now, it also comes with these little stir sticks, and these are really great because they're actually really tiny. So if you're doing UV resin and you only want to mix a small amount of color or something in, these are great. And then it comes with the finger cots. A lot of people are allergic to nitrile gloves, but you can put the vinyl gloves on underneath a nitrile glove and use them that way, or the finger cots. And then it comes with a little plastic measuring cup. Alright, that is that one. Okay, now this set is the little bead set. And this one comes with, let's see, some gold chain, gold colored chain, some silver, it's gonna really scream, I know, but here we go. I'm sorry, it is not chain, it is tiny little links. Tiny, tiny little links. No, it is tiny, tiny little bits of chain, just like I said. Alright. There we go, silver and gold. Sorry, y'all know how hard a time I have with those tiny bags. Don't know why. Alright, then again with the pipettes, these are even smaller. And the finger cots. Then we've got a set of silicone tools, a silicone cup, and then the silicone tools. These are really handy, especially when you're just starting out with resin. They give you a lot more control, if you want to say that, especially with UV resin. And then these tiny little shapes. Now, I know I've heard people say all the time, stud earrings. And imagine this. You fill them up with a little colored UV resin, cure them, then pop them out. Well, not that one in particular. Let's go with it. Like this one is a cube mold, and it's not necessarily a bead like with a hole through it. It's a cube that when you pull it out, you can put a little I know there's a name for them. A little bell with a little upside down cup. Anyway, put the little moons and then fill it up with UV resin. Oh my gosh, that would be so cute. Little shapes. And then, I really hate you to pull this out, but I'm going to do it anyway. A fair pair of needle nose tweezers, and these are pretty sharp. And then this set of metal leafing. Silver, this is a variegated copper, gold, and then a variegated gold. These are all just metallic leaf. They're not really like gold and silver and all that, but metallic leaf. Alright, now let's get down to the beads. Let me kind of separate them out a little bit. Okay, this one is the only one that is not beads. It's just the cubes. Then we've got these itty bitty small round beads. Oh my lord, that word just went out the window for some reason. Then we've got these that are the same size, looks like, but they are beads. Okay. Like the little bitty round beads, these are the cubes. These are the cubes with square corners, as all these are. Now these are tiny little cubes, but they're rounded. Let me see. Rounded corners. And then these are the bigger ones that have rounded corners. Okay. Oh, these are actually like the cubes. These are not beads. These are just the round balls that you can make and fill with all kinds of goodies, and then put the bell, I don't know what it's called. It's a cat bell. I don't know what it's called. And then these are the large rounds. I see beads in my future. What do y'all think? Beads, beads, and more beads. I'm looking forward to these cubes. how straight the little nib stays, that's a question. But I just saw on Facebook somebody posted these red, man, they were glorious color, red beads, and it looked like they had, okay, this is just my mind thinking, but it looked like they had, like, they were large, and it looked like they had, like, you know what bugle beads are? The, like seed bead size, but they're long shaped. They're bugle beads. And so it looked like they'd put some maybe silver bugle beads, just 3 or 4, and then fill it with, I can't even describe the color red. Okay, and then there is this one. I am super excited about doing more of these. These are so fun. They're little barrette molds. Oh. Please just be, please just be. Okay, that one appeared. Alright, we'll look at this one first. Another one. This one appears like it has some, maybe not uncured. Just some extra silicone stuck. Alright, that one right there looks like it's gonna be in the mold. It actually does wipe out with my fingertip. Not necessarily with my nail, but with my fingertip rubbing over it. No, I'll see what I can do to salvage the rest of that one. Boy, I just almost got it all, didn't I? Of course, the raised bit in the middle, that sticks, that makes a hole in the middle of the barrette, so that part doesn't matter. That little bit right there, that's all I got left to worry about. But there are 4. So, these will be super fun, like I said. So I'll be trying those out. And they come with the clips. Yeah, these are all the same. Alright. The gold. These will go like so after you pour the barrettes. And they're easily glued down if you use, I actually have a blank, but if you use UV resin and then just put a tiny bit of hot glue on either end, that will hold it in place while you put it under the light, and then it sets to cure. So, looks like there's 10 of the open rectangles in gold. And I do know you can order these separately. You can order them on Amazon or wherever. And then 10 of these that are the open, I don't know what the shape is called, but that is for those or those. Okay? We will be doing these. Yes, we will. It will be so fun. I've got all kinds of little embellishments and all kinds of stuff. So these will be fun. Alright. That is it for this one. I'll have the links to Craspire and to everything that they sent me listed down below. That may be it. Okay. I'll have the links to Craspire and everything listed below. I have opened up the super thanks button. I've got a link for buy me a coffee down below. And I've also now put a link for an Amazon wish list. So if you're interested in any of that, feel free. Please like, share, and subscribe, y'all. Bye for now.